Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Whiskey Aging Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your whiskey experience, allowing you to transform your favorite spirit into a personalized, aged masterpiece right at home. Whether you're a seasoned whiskey connoisseur or a curious novice, this kit empowers you to experiment with different aging techniques, wood types, and time frames to craft a unique whiskey that reflects your personal taste and preferences, making it a truly rewarding and enriching journey of discovery. Number 5. Cocktail Smoker Kit with Troch. Introducing the Cocktail Smoker Kit, your new secret weapon for crafting unforgettable cocktails. It's everything you need to elevate your drinks to the next level. This kit includes a handcrafted wood smoker, a double-layer stainless steel filter, 2 whiskey glasses, 2 ice ball molds, and 8 unique wood chip flavors to experiment with. A cleaning brush and spoon are also included for easy cleanup. Elegantly packaged, it makes a stunning gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with this unique and sophisticated present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. The wood smoker is carefully handcrafted and polished, ensuring a durable and rust-resistant design. It's built to last and deliver the most authentic smoky flavor. It's not just for cocktails. Use it to infuse the smoky goodness into meats, cheeses, coffee, and more. The possibilities are truly endless, both indoors and outdoors. From Christmas to Father's Day, this set is the perfect gift for any occasion. It's a thoughtful present that will be cherished for years to come. What we like. It offers a wide variety of wood chips for different smoky flavors. If you enjoy experimenting with different tastes and creating your own unique drinks, this is perfect for you. This makes it an ideal and unique gift for any occasion. What people say. Includes everything you need to make interesting drinks. Well made and works well. It's super easy to use and adds that perfect smoky flavor to your drink or dish. And the best part is, it comes with a bunch of different wood chips so you can mix it up and find your perfect flavor. Number 4. Thousand Oaks 2L Oak Barrel. It's the perfect size for home distillers and cocktail enthusiasts. Age your favorite spirits up to 10 times faster than in a full-sized barrel, achieving a rich, balanced flavor in weeks. The high surface area to liquid ratio allows for rapid aging. Enjoy aged whiskey, bourbon, or other spirits in a fraction of the time. Follow the simple instructions to cure it, and you'll be sampling your aged liquor in days. Add flavor essence for a unique twist. Infuse your favorite cocktails with the natural flavors of the charred oak. Experiment with Manhattans, martinis, or any drink you desire. Made from new American oak staves, it's perfect for multiple aging cycles. It also makes a great decorative piece for your home bar. This complete kit includes everything you need: the barrel, stand, bung, spigot, funnel, and instructions. A unique present for any spirits lover. What we like. It allows you to age your spirits up to 10 times faster. It's not just for aging, it can also be used for years and makes a great bar decoration. If you are looking for a way to quickly age your cocktails and add a unique touch to your home bar, this is the one for you. What people say. It will leak for an hour or so when new, till the wood absorbs some liquid and then it seals up tight. It works 2 times only. After the second fill, the wood is done and won't do anything to your whiskey. The barrels is great and holds whiskey as expected. Number 3. Whiskey Making Kit Gift Set. It lets you create your own unique whiskey blends. Experiment with different wood chips and botanicals to achieve your perfect taste profile. Simply add your alcohol, wood chips, and botanicals. It's a straightforward process that yields delicious results in just a few weeks. This kit includes everything you need: bottles, wood chips, botanicals, whiskey stones, and labels. You'll be ready to start crafting your own whiskey immediately. The included whiskey stones chill your drink without diluting it. Enjoy a perfectly chilled whiskey every time. It's a thoughtful and unique gift for birthdays, Christmas, Father's Day, or any special occasion. Show your loved one how much you care with this personalized gift. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to start infusing your own whiskey. It also comes with whiskey stones, so you don't have to worry about watering down your drinks. If you're looking for a personalized and complete whiskey making experience, this kit is for you. What people say. So many cute bottles with spices within this package. Great concept for a gift. Fun and simple to get started. The foam that everything is set in is very sturdy. Everything arrived intact and presented very nicely. This has been so much fun to use. I highly recommend making half-bottle batches while you figure out which ingredients provide strong flavors. Making a full bottle batch, I would use at least a generous teaspoon of the cocoa nibs, 1/4 teaspoon of the orange peel, and a generous half teaspoon of the smoked oak, and no more than 2 peppers. So far, chocolate oak is my favorite combo. We added a touch of brown sugar syrup to that, and it is heavenly. We will be experimenting with using a base of honey whiskey with the next batch. Number 2. Aged and Charred Whiskey Infusion Kit. It's easy to create unique whiskey flavors in just 24 to 48 hours. Impress your friends with exquisite infusions of orange, cinnamon, and more. This makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any occasion. Whiskey enthusiasts will love enhancing their cocktails with this kit. Add a fun twist to your whiskey without the long aging process. Simply add the flavored wood chips, let it rest, and enjoy. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: orange and cinnamon peels, various wood chips, and a large infusion bottle. Get ready for exceptional taste. It features a special filter to keep out unwanted particles, guaranteeing a smooth drinking experience. The generous sizes mean more flavor to share. What we like. It lets you craft unique whiskey flavors in just 24 to 48 hours. The process is simple and fun, and the kit includes everything you need. If you like to enjoy delicious infused whiskey without the long wait, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of flavors, allowing you to infuse your favorite whiskey with different tastes. The process is straightforward, and the results are impressive. He says it works great and he still uses it probably a year later. The quality of the infusion bottle was excellent, and the infusion flavors included were a nice variety and generous portions. The set came in very giftable packaging. Number 1. Viski Alchemi Aging Kit. It brings smoky complexity to your liquor. Just place the charred oak stick in your bottle to accelerate the aging process and improve the flavor. The charred oak aging sticks fit right into the silicone holder of the stopper pourer. Each stick is good for one aging use. The charred oak interior of bourbon barrels acts as a filter and flavor enhancer. These sticks mimic that process, but much faster. The sticks are designed for easy removal thanks to the silicone holder. Just remove the stopper pourer, pull out the stick, and replace it. The taste difference is substantial, even after just a week or two of aging. Try a taste test for a fun activity. What we like. It easily adds smoky complexity to your liquor. The charred oak sticks are simple to use and accelerate the aging process. If you want to enhance your whiskey's flavor quickly and easily, this is a great option. What people say. The aging and mellowing effect is freaking awesome. At the 1 week mark, I could see a slight color change in the bourbon, and I noticed a bit of a softness in the bite or heat. The alcohol in the bourbon didn't sting so much on the way down. After 2 to 3 weeks, the bourbon was pretty smooth, surprisingly so, I would say. After 1 week, the bourbon was definitely darker and richer in color. After 2 weeks, I did a side-by-side taste comparison. So far I am very pleasantly surprised. It definitely smoothed out the taste and definitely has a totally different taste and flavor profile than regular Eagle Rare. It's given, what I describe as, a buttery flavor to this bourbon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.